What's up guys, Chigs here from Chigs Tech Reviews. So here is my quick hands-on look at the TCL Plex smartphone. Now this smartphone is priced only $329. It looks like a solid mid-range device. You're getting a 6.53-inch AMOLED display powered by the Snapdragon 675 with 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage. You have Android version 9 Pie with TCL UI on top, and the UI feels quite fast in operation, and I do like how the setup looks. Now on the back you have triple cameras, with the main sensor being a Sony 48 megapixel sensor. You also have a 16 megapixel ultra wide and a 2 megapixel depth sensor, and on the front you have a 20 megapixel selfie camera. Now I can confirm that this device has an audio jack, built-in NFC, USB-C charging and a 3820 mAh battery. The smartphone itself feels great in the hands. You have a nice large screen, and the screen quality is absolutely amazing, and it's not surprising considering TCL, like Samsung and LG, make their own panels for their smartphones and TVs. So that was my first look at the TCL Plex smartphone, and I have to say at this price point it does look very promising, and I look forward to playing with my review unit when it arrives when I come back in the UK. Meanwhile, thank you so much for watching, and more of IFA is coming up soon.